This is my 2011 Verde Radia. Got Edwin Del Rosso grips, white. Recommend not getting white because they won't stay white for that long. I have Animal Hamilton pedals. They're really good. The stock duo pedals that come with it aren't really that good. A little dirty, but your feet, if you don't have good shoes on, your feet will slide off a lot. You got stock rims and tires. If you do foot jams and stuff, your front tire loses a little traction, but it should hold. And if you take your brakes off or you don't even put them on, your back tire, if you use your foot to stop, your back tire will lose a lot of traction. So I recommend having bring your bike to a bike shop and have somebody put the brakes on for you. Stock chain and sprocket. I have a chain upstairs that I'll put on in the spring. Sprocket's still holding up, but not for long. The chain will, when you first get it, once it's not stretched out, it'll start making like a crickety noise. But once you get it, it'll be alright and it'll stretch out. It's kind of hard to get it tightened at first, but it'll be alright. The seat doesn't move, it's good. The handlebars, stock handlebars and stem and everything. Once the bullets get worked in, it should work fine. They don't move a lot. It's 20 by 25. The rims are 20 by 2.20, front and back. It comes at 24.1 pounds. The pegs aren't good. Don't even try using them. It's a good bike. If you treat it nice, it'll do whatever you want it to do. Alright, I would recommend a Verde Radia.